Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some cottage kitchen decoration ideas. Let's have a look. A cottage kitchen decoration style creates a warm, homey and timeless kitchen atmosphere inspired by cozy countryside living and vintage charm. It blends functionality with comfort, often using soft colors, natural textures, and nostalgic details that make the space feel inviting rather than overly modern or sterile. Here are some practical tips for decorating a cottage-style kitchen so it's still charming, cozy, and functional. Start with a soft, welcoming base. Choose light, airy wall colors, white, cream, belly blue, or soft green to make the space feel open and fresh. Use a matte or extra finish for a softer, vintage look rather than high gloss. Focus everyday beauty. Store dry goods in glass jars or ceramic canisters instead of hiding them away. Display your prettiest mugs, teapots, and plates on the open shelves or hooks. Mix old and new. Pair modern appliances with vintage accents like animal cattles or antique plate boxes. Use reclaimed wood or repurposed furniture for an authentic, lived-in feel. Layer in natural textures. Add oven baskets for bread, produce, or utensils. Use linen or cotton tea towels with floral or gingham prints. Warm it up with lighting. Swap harsh light bulbs for warm toned lighting. Consider a vintage style pendant over the kitchen island or a mini candlelight over the breakfast nook. Little whimsical details. Hang a chalkboard for grocery lists and recipes. Use patterned curtains instead of lights for a softer, cozier look. Incorporate small framed prints, botanical, farm scents, or food illustrations. Use a mix of patterns. Combine gingham, floral, or stripes in cushions, curtains, or tablecloths for a layered, homey look. Keep the color palette soft so patterns blend, not clash. Incorporate vintage finds. Look for old animal pictures, milk jugs, or bread tins at plum markets. Repurpose a vintage dresser or hut as extra kitchen storage. Create a feature wall. Use breadboard paneling or sheet lamp painted in a pastel shade. Hang decorative plates or antique kitchen tools as wall art. Keep storage open and inviting. Use open shelving for everyday dishes and glassware. Store produce in wire baskets or wooden crates. Give it a lived-in feel. Don't hide everything away. Let your kitchen show signs of use. Choose plastic hardware. Swap out modern handles and knobs for antique brass, old iron or ceramic knobs on cabinets and drawers. Use vintage textiles. Look for our DIY handmade embroidered napkins, table turners or curtains with floral or natural inspired patterns. Incorporate crochet or lace trims on curtains or pillows for a delicate vintage touch. Display collections. Showcase collections of vintage teacups, milk bottles, or cookie tins. Group them on open shelves or in glass front cabinets to create interest and nostalgia. Incorporate a cozy sitting spot. If the space allows, add a small window bench or nook with cushions. Use layered window treatments. Combine sheer curtains with heavier patterned frames for softness and depth. Tie backs with ribbons or vintage curtain ties enhances the cottage's feel. Use patterned backsplash ties with floral, vintage, or simple savoy styles. Add character. Consider a painted backsplash with a stencil design if you want a DIY project. A vintage candelier or rustic lantern style pendant light over the dining area or island for visual interest. Personalize with family heirlooms. Incorporate passed down dishes, linens, or cookware to add history and sentimental value to your kitchen. Cottage Kitchen Decor is inspired by the traditional homes found in rural countryside villages, especially in England, France, and New England in the US. It reflects a simple, comfortable lifestyle where the kitchen is the heart of this home, a place for cooking, gathering, and sharing stories. Keep it light and airy. Use soft pastel or neutral paint colors on walls and cabinets to keep the space bright and open. Mix open shelving with closed cabinets. Display pretty dishes and glass jars on open shelves, but keep clutter hidden behind cabinet doors. Use natural materials. Incorporate wood, wicker baskets, linen curtains, and cotton textiles to bring warmth and texture. Feature a formal sink. Choose an